Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I wanted to show you how to decide which vinyl strap roll you'll need for your project. Welcome to my shop. First we need to decide which width to order. We have the 1.5 inch wide or the 2-inch wide strapping. Measure your old strap. If it's one that's been stretched on the frame, it's likely to measure slightly under one of these two measurements, like 1.25 inch if you need 1.5 inch strap, or it may measure 1.75 inch if you need the 2-inch strap. Your new straps, once you stretch them on there, will narrow down just the same also. Then we need to move on to the length of strapping that you'll need. We sell the 50-foot, 100-foot, and the 200-foot rolls. You need to do some calculations. So we need to take what your size strap is, how many inches, times how many straps, and that'll give you the total number of inches needed, then divide it by 12, so you know how many feet to order, and then that should give you a good idea on how much of a roll you'll need. So let's say you have 30 straps at 20 inches. That equals 600 inches. You divide that by 12, you need 50 feet of vinyl. You could get away with a 50-foot roll of vinyl, so forth. It's just math to get the right amount of inches, calculated into feet, and then buy that for your roll size. If you decide you don't want to buy the strap by the roll, or you don't need that much vinyl, consider looking at our pre-cut vinyl straps, where you tell us the measurement you'd like us to cut the straps, and we can make them up for you. There's a minimum quantity of 10 by doing it this way, but it might be a good option for some small projects there. Well, I hope this is helpful in your decisions, and again, thank you very much for watching.